Education Center. With a heart full of good experience and years of fame, Lisa lives by the motto, kapag may pangarap sa buhay, huwag tulubas sa ibang years. Matutuloy mag-take the risk. Let's give a warm welcome to Risa May Bamber Baliga. Representing the vibrant Italian coalition, Kapalooka Camarines Norte. This 20-year-old embodies grace, confidence, and a love for adventure. She finds joy in traveling with friends, exploring new places, and creating unforgettable memories with a heart that beats for music. She embraces singing as her passion, using her voice to support and uplift. Today, she walks with elegance and poise, a true symbol of beauty and ambition. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Kapalooka, Miss Princess Mary Abdeliano Rizal. Runway number 5 is Mr. Charlie Valenzuela. He's proud to represent the District of Kapalooka. Lives in the Manila Camarines Norte and interested in singing and art like drawing and painting. Candidate number 5, female category is Romaline San Agustin de la Cruz. Live in Barangay Palanas, Paracale, Camarines Norte. Her hobby is dancing in TikTok, and she is also a member of Young Moms Zumba Dancers in Palanas. Candidate number 7 is from the line of the show Santa Elena Camarines Norte. Mr. Austin Mendoza Rizal, National High School, Santa Elena District. He will also say that never give up on your dreams. By determination, faith, and hard work, you will never know what will happen. so let's begin with the awarding of Mr. and Miss Photogenic.
Our second final awards goes to the candidates who have shown exceptional friendliness and have won the heart of their fellow contestants, the Mr. and Miss Congeniality. Alright, so we have muna daw po the Mr. and Miss Photogenic. This award is given to the candidates who have captured the heart of the camera lens with their photogenic charm. And this award for Mr. and Miss Photogenic, it goes to candidate. Okay, we will reveal the pictures. Number ano ang bet nyo? Wala akong matingin. Press 2? Press 3? Okay, number 4 ba? 5? 6 or 7?
Alright, so maybe invite one of the board of judges para mag-reveal yung ating
Mr. and Miss
Photogenic. Sino ba?
We will call them Sabala. Siyempre, ito natatandaan ko dahil ka-apelyedo ko si Ma. The very beautiful Ma'am Carmel Sabala to reveal the picture of Mr. and Miss Photogenic. And of course, our official photographer. Tingnan natin yung sino ang na-capture ng kanyang magandang lens ng camera. Alright. Ready na? Wala bang pa-music dyan?
Yeah, so we will begin with the announcement of winner in Miss Photogenic.
Alright! I have here, naglaki yung mata ko talaga kasi baka ako ito mga Colombia. Alright, our Miss Photogenic is candidate number... Yung picture, sir? Please reveal the picture. Sir Michael Ramos, our official photographer. Candidate number 1! Congratulations! Miss Rasamay Maliga, representing the Diet North District.
This Diet South.
Diet South. Our Mr. Photogenic is candidate number 3! Ang guwapo din! Congratulations, candidate number 3! Representing San Vicente, San Lorenzo Ruiz. Sir Dara Limar.
The chairman of the board of judges for the awarding of such and the certificate.
So kanina pinag-present ko ba yung video presentation yung kanilang talent. Sino kaya ang tumatak at nagnay ng impact in the third portion? Sino kaya ang bet nyo? Kuya, kasi.
Alright, so our Miss Talent.
Okay, for Miss Talent, candidate number... Candidate number 7! Miss Talent! And of course, for our Mr. Talent, we have also candidate number 7. Representing Santa Elena. Congratulations, Ma'am Lo. We have here the award. The Mr. and Miss Talent goes to candidate number 7 for both male and female category. Congratulations. And now, let's recognize the candidate the most outstanding and captivating performance in the production number. Sino kaya? Number? And in the present award, I would like to request Ma'am Cherry Salcedo to award the certificate for Mr. Production and Miss Production. Okay.
Ayun ako yung dalawa, best in talent.
Anong ginawa?
Hindi ko rin na, pero best in talent sila.
Basta, supporters kami yan!
Yung sila yan?
Oo.
Alright, once again. The candidates who delivered the most outstanding and captivating performance in the production number for Mr. or male category. Mr. Production number is candidate number 3! It's candidate number 2! Hands up also for another Mr. Osprey is candidate number... It's candidate number 3! Congratulations! Another spot is candidate number... Parang nalihina naman yung supporters ko Candidate number... You're right! It's candidate number 1! We have 2 spots remaining for the top 5 us. Kamalinis story. Who will it be? It's candidate number... Candidate number... Nawawala yung supporters! Candidate number 7!
Yes!
And last but definitely not the least, to fulfill the top 5, we have kinakabahan ng coaches, kinakabahan ng candidates, kinakabahan ng lahat. It's your right Bandung, candidate number 4! Congratulations! 5!
Of our top 5 finalists in female category. Are you ready? In no particular order. Lakasan! Supporters ng Lakasan! Yan again ang STO Conference! Our first finalist is candidate number 6. Step forward because you are now part of the top 5 candidate number. Candidate number 5. You are lucky today because you are now part of the top 5 candidate number. Candidate number 7. Congratulations, candidate number 7. Thanks God because you are now part of the top 5. Join our finalist, candidate number 2. Nandidilawang Versus District. And our last but not the least finalist. Alright. Stay in your position because you are now part of the top 5 candidate number congratulate yung mga candidates na hindi nakapasok sa top 5. We are very proud of you. Of course, to my babies, kapalang and representatives, maraming salamat for, of course, being our representative.
Okay, nararamdaman ko na ang tense ng lahat. Bago yan, dahil naayos pa nila, sir, pasalamatan ulit natin ang ating mga sponsor. Number 9. Sorry po, 6 po pala. 6. Picture number 6, please. Base po sa makikita natin sa larawan, mag-ina po sila. Inilalarawan po ng ina dito na sobra-sobra ang pagmamahal niya sa kanyang anak. At yung anak po, ganun din siya. Ang ina po ang nagsisilbing ilaw ng ating tahanan at sila ang nag-aalaga ng mga anak. At ang ina po ang inspirasyon ng kanilang mga anak. Kaya dapat po nating igalang ang ating mga magulang. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat. Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Let's now proceed to candidate number 7. Nakuha ko pong number ay number 3. Number 3 picture, sir. Ang aking pong nakikita ang larawan ay isang puno. Ang puno po ay nagsisilbing nagpapakita sa atin ng kung paano tayo maging matibay at kung paano tayo tumayo sa sarili nating buhay. Kahit tayo ay nahihirapan, umamon tayo. Para po siyang haligi ng tahanan. Pwede po siyang sandalan, hindi po nagigiba, at maging matatag lamang po. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Let's now move on to candidate number 2. Napapag-ipunan ng ating mga memorya, katulad na lang po ng mga alaala ng ating mga lumisan na. Para po sa akin, as a single mom, dito ko po tinatago yung mga alaalang naiwan po sa akin ng aking anak at asawa. Kaya malaking bagay po para sa akin ang teknolohiya niyan. Dahil diyan ko po nararanasan o nararamdaman yung mga alaalang naiwan po sa akin ng aking mag-ama. Yun lang po at maraming salamat. Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Number 9. Picture number 9.
Bagong Pilipinas. Para po sa akin ang bagong Pilipinas. Ito ang kailangan natin. Ito ay bagong pag-asa. Tapos may bagong kinabukasan para sa ating bagong ekonomiya. Kailangan natin ito para tayo magkaroon ng bagong kinabukasan at hindi lang dapat sa salita, sa isip, dapat merong gawa. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Let's proceed to candidate number 6.
Ang napili ko pong numero ay number 5.
Picture number 5.
Mali kayo napindot. Sabi na kami sa kasi sa sauna. Isa sa rebel touch.
Okay, picture number 2.
Ang nakikita po natin sa ating larawan ay isang gulong. Madalas po pinapaikot-ikot tayo sa ating buhay. Pero sa hamon po ng buhay, kahit po pinapaikot-ikot tayo, dapat nating labanan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6.
Highway na daanan na natin mga sasakyan na nakakatulong mapabilis ang ating transportasyon kung saan tayo pupunta na lugar. And sa mga politiko natin na nagpagawa ng kalsada, maraming salamat po. And lagi po tayo mag-iingat sa pagdadrive. And yun lang po, maraming salamat.
10 po.
Number?
10 po.
Number 10. Crowd?
Isa po yun sa mga mga tradisyon nating mga Pilipino. Maging magalang po. Expression po ng pagiging magalang ng isang mano po. And thank you po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. I wonder, sino tinitingnan niya dito? May nag-coach na ba? Baka nandito yung sagot sabay sa atin. Okay, let's proceed to candidate number 3. Picture
Number 4 po.
Number 4.
Parang ito yung parang sa
Okay po, due to tayo ay live ngayon sa SDO conference po, and we are having a technical problem. A minor technical error lang po ito. Kasi kinakabahan ata yung operator dito sa aming side.
Kuya Rowie, parang ito yung parang sa ngayon.
Ayan, hinga ka muna ng kaunti. Ayan. Smile. Ayan. Okay, hindi po yan ang ating i-analysis. Ganyan daw po kapag alam ng, nasisense din ng ating mga devices kung kinakabahan yung operator. Ayan na po. That's number 4.
Holy Bible. Alam mo naman natin, ang Holy Bible ay naglalaman ng mga sagradong salita, mga kautusan, at mga kwento mula pa noong panahon ni Jesus Christ at sa kanyang Ama. Ang Holy Bible ay kayang baguhin ang buhay mo mula sa pagiging mabuting tao. Kaya tinihikayat ko kayong lahat na magbasa paminsan-minsan o kaya madalas ng Holy Bible upang mabago ang buhay mo at mapalapit ka sa Diyos. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Amen! Amen! Alright, well said. Let's now proceed. Alright, ang crowd natin kalma. Crowd, kalma. Okay po, candidate number 3, your picture number?
5 po.
Number?
5.
5. Okay, that's definitely number 5. Ayan po.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat, sa mga judges po. Ito po ang nakikita kong larawan ay Bagong Pilipinas na inano po ng ating mahal na presidente sa ating bansa para mabago po ang ating mga buhay. Sinasaad po dito ang mga maganda pong layunin ng ating presidente sa ating bansa. At sa pagbigay sa atin ng mga ito, matutulungan tayo sa ating ekonomiya at sa mga marami pang bagay sa susunod na panahon. Yun lang po at salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Well said. And last but definitely not the least, candidate number 5.
Picture number 1.
Picture number 1.
So, nakikita natin sa larawan, isang taong magsasaka. Sa buhay ngayon, sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, magsasaka ating maaasahan. Sapagkat sila sa lahat ng trabaho, sa kanila ang pinakang mahirap na gawain. So yan sa ating, ang bagong Pilipinas po. Magsasaka, maghapon man silang pagod, ngunit hindi sila sumusuko sa kanilang buhay. Marahil upang para itaguyod ang kanilang pamilya. Kahit sa hirap ng kanilang buhay, sila ang tumutulong sa lahat upang unang-una, sa kanila nang gagaling ang ating bigas na kinakain.
Joy S. Macale to present the award.
Kinakabahan ng mga coaches. Kinakabahan ng mga supporters. Kinakabahan ng mga school heads.
Exactly. Talaga naman nakakababang-haya, lalo na nandito na tayo ngayon sa announcement of the winners.
Correct, sir. Alright, for our Mr. Port runner-up is candidate number... Ay, wala nang nagkuhan. Ano nag-claim? Okay, ayun na mag-claim. Okay, it's candidate number 5. Congratulations, Mr. Port runner-up, candidate number 5.
Alright, so our winner, our fourth runner-up, will receive a sash, a certificate, of course.
Pwede rin pong sumali sa stage ang coach ni number 5. Coach ni number 5, please join candidate number 5 dito sa ating stage. Runner-up. What is your bet? Wala na narinig ko. Paus na siguro kayo. Number? 7. Paus na ba kayo? Alright, congratulations. It's you, Miss Sport Runner-up, candidate number 7. It's 7.
Yes.
Please join. Is candidate number 7, coach, parents from Santa Elena. Ma'am Gloria, you will join our candidate number 7 here on stage.
Hey kasi.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? And of course, we have Ma'am Gloria, this is Gerda. Okay. Is the sino ang ating Mr. R. Camarines Sport Merit 25? Please join us on stage. Mr. May we just inform everyone na ang unahin namin i-announce ay ang title. Meaning, ang ating Mr. As Camarines Sport 2025. Sino kaya ang mamahaya? Sino kaya? It's number 3 or it's number 7? Ano? Wala akong marinig! Alright! Sir, announce it. May we just inform po na just in case the winner will not be able to perform his duty as the winner, the first runner-up will take over the crown and of course the duties and responsibilities of the winner. Okay po? Okay. Let's proceed na.
Excited na ang lahat.
Okay. Our Mr. As Camarines Sport 2025 is candidate number Yes, for the crowd, yeah.
Tingnan mo na.
Ladies and gentlemen, our Mr. Os Camarines 2025 is coming.